How to set up Alexa.app. If you want to set up Alexa.app, it's fairly simple. First of all, you just launch the Alexa application on your particular device. Then just go to this devices option where you can tap the plus icon from the top right hand side. Then tap on add device. Under add device, you can see we have the Echo as well, which this is Echo right here. So we'll select add device and we will select Amazon Echo because this is an Amazon Echo. We have to put our Amazon Echo in pairing mode now. In order to put this in pairing mode, you can actually see this little button here. This is actually the action button, you would probably call it. So most people call it an action button. You have to hold this for about 20 seconds in order for the light to blink orange. So if you're seeing the orange light blink up over here, it means that it is in setup mode. And to get this in setup mode, depending upon the device or the Echo Dot model you have, some might require you to press plus and minus buttons together. In my case, it is pressing this action button together. Now you can see it is actually blinking, let's say the orange light. Now what we do is we will go to this Echo option here, and we will turn on Bluetooth. You can see it, we are seeing an orange light, so we'll tap on yes. It will search for that device and now we can select that. It is available and it will start connecting. And that way we can set up Alexa or the Alexa.app. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.